Hello, I'm Roxanne Reinard. I'm a software engineer and I teach AI. So the graph here shows you why I am so thrilled with ChatGPT. The jump you're seeing here is when I went live with the ChatGPT version of a resort website. And you can see we increased 200 hits a month to the website. And our click-through rate from Google to the website is growing at a faster rate than before. But I don't want you just to believe me. I want you to hear these other success stories.
This Roxanne says that I should try this out, and I'm going to give this a try. And I put in what I wanted for a job description. I had it reference our website. I just put in basic things like these are the skills we need, and I had been toying with this job description for I think 3 to 6 months before that, and I had the job posted by the end of the day.
Personal, I created one. This is my favorite one right now. I call it the Grocery Butler. And I put in there the food that I have kind of on hand. And then um, I just kind of ask it for ideas for dinner. And then to make me a list for the store that I intend to shop at. And then I go into the app for the store I'm going to shop at. I do a grocery pickup order, and it saved me time and energy in a big way.
Honestly, that you were a bulldog and pressured me into it, and I just did it because you're my friend. And then after I actually used it and it's changed my life, like we've written $10 million grants, $1 million grants, $500,000 grants, $20,000 grants. I mean, it's just, and I just show my staff like a little bit and just I'll like, here, let me give you the $20 subscription. You gotta like figure this out. And so it's like like I just want to show everybody like it's so simple, and I've showed a lot of my friends, and it's you have to embrace it though.
And here's why I chose ChatGPT. It has structure, it has persistent memory. And if you look at the comparison chart here, which I will put on the website, you can see why I have chosen ChatGPT. It has the structure, it has the models. As with any tool, good training will give you better answers. So if you're interested in learning how to use this tool and how to maximize its benefits, let's talk.